Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to my channel, Science and Vigyan. And this video, especially for the bioinformatics student who want to calculate the properties or ADME properties using freeware software. No doubt, we know there are n number of software available in the market. We can use them to calculate the ADME property. But this software or the web server that is free of cost, you can use it very easily because I will tell you step by step all their procedures and all the protocol, how you can calculate the physical or ADME property by using this software. Before proceeding it, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share the video if you really feel these videos are quite useful to you. So I wish you can spread the knowledge towards your colleague, towards your friend. So before wasting a time, I would like to describe this web server. Fine. Okay. I think it is visible on my screen now. Okay, I would like to start from the Google. Just type here mole inspiration. Fine. Okay. Now you can see here are about different title and the headings, but we need to calculate their ADME properties. Or we can mention we need to click calculate properties or predict bioactivity. Today, this session is only for the Lipinski rule because earlier I want to tell you about the bioinformatics, but this video is prior for the ADME property that is used to calculate the Lipinski, like which compound they are following the Lipinski rule and which they are not following the Lipinski rule. If you want to know about the Lipinski rule, please do mention in the comment box. I would like to describe the Lipinski rule in detail. Fine. Okay. I think it is visible on my board. Fine screen. I just draw any structure, or if any unknown compound do you have, you can tell me. I would like to calculate their properties, or I would like to help you to calculate their ADME property, because this is my favorite thing. Basically, I'm working on the drug designing for the new compound. Okay. I just draw here OH. Okay. Or if you have any, already you have smiles, you can enter here smiles. Or I have chosen the second option, draw molecule, because this is same as the ChemDraw structure. And this video I just make for beginners. And I believe it is good if you draw here. Right? Okay. Now you can see there are three options, but I just calculate the first one, calculate properties. Okay. Okay, now you see the result is on the screen. Here they mention log P, TPSA, number of atom, molecular weight, donor, acceptor, violation, or rotatable bonds if they have. Fine. We know Lipinski rule is all Lipinski rule of 5 is all about it. Then they need to have less than molecular weight, they less than 500. Fine. It's all about that. If you want to know about Lipinski rule in detail, please do mention in the comment box. And these properties, you can use these property for calculating or for development of the QSR model or for QSSR model, or you can use this property for the ligand-based drug design also. Fine. If you want to have the text, just mention here text. Fine. It look like this. After that, you need to save it. Okay. Or after that, just open any Word document and save this things here. Yeah, save here. Oh, sorry. Where it is this one? No, this is our screen. Okay, I just, sorry, you share. This is our screen. Yeah, it's look like this. Or we can take their 3D geometry also from here, like this is a 3D geometry. Fine. For this wall inspiration better, I would like to describe in my next video. Please do stay tuned to my channel for the new updation of the videos and for the knowledge of the new content regarding the bioinformatic or the drug design. Fine. It's all about the today's session. If you like to watch these type of videos in the future also, don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you so much. God bless you. Happy learning. Bye-bye.